Okay, so just about to try this. Initially it's connected, but the power panel shuts off, probably low power. And this any one button, I think this one activates the panel, and then that's what it looks like at its shortest height. And then let's increase the height. And it's got memory settings too. So let's say we set it at, let's say we make it memorize a setting of 115. I think maybe store is used to memorize it. Let's try store. It's asking for a number, so store 1. Okay, so store 1. Now let's lower it, and then let's press 1. It goes back to 115. Now let's set another setting for let's see, let's say 81.8. we want to store the second setting. Actually it's pretty high, so let's try something lower. Let's try 76.9. and so we want to store this as 2. Went back to 72, huh? Let's try 76.9. And we want to store this as 2. Now let's go back to 1, which was I think 115. And sure enough, it's 115. And let's go back to 2, which was 76.9, I think. And it is 76.9. So let's just bring it to its lowest point, and looks like it's working really well. 72 is its lowest. Okay, so that's it.